In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cover page on Google Docs. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to Google Docs. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, you'll need to log in so you can create and save your document. Once you're in Google Docs, either open an existing document where you want to add a cover page, or click on blank to start a brand new document. Now, let's set up the first page as your cover. It's usually best to have your cover page stand on its own without any text from the rest of your work. If you already have content on the first page, place your cursor right at the top and insert a page break so that everything moves down to the second page. You can do this by going to the Insert menu, then choosing Break, and then Page Break. That first page is now free to become your cover. Next, let's format the title. Click on the first page, then type your main title. Highlight it, and use the toolbar at the top to change the font, size, and color. A common choice is to use a bold, readable font, and make it larger than the rest of your text. To center the title, click the Center Align button on the toolbar. If you want the title more vertically centered on the page, place your cursor above it and press Enter several times until it sits roughly in the middle. Below the title, you can add any additional details you need, such as a subtitle, your name, the date, a course name, or an organization. Type each item on its own line and keep them centered to match the title. You can make the subtitle slightly smaller than the main title, so there's a clear visual hierarchy. To make your cover page more visually appealing, you can adjust the spacing and layout. Go to the Format menu, choose Line and Paragraph Spacing, and add a bit more spacing before or after paragraphs so the page doesn't look cramped. If you'd like, you can insert an image or logo by going to Insert, then Image, and choosing where to upload it from. Resize and move it so it complements your text without overpowering it. Once you're happy with how everything looks, scroll through your document to make sure the cover page is separate and clean, and that the rest of your content starts neatly on the second page. That's all you need to create a simple, professional cover page in Google Docs.